This a man a black like a Tara, who him? The Lord soon give you a sign, cause in Jamaica you now see them something here every day.
So how you know say me I know the sign what the Lord send?
Jamaican, look here quick.
Right, they were not dead now. How am I stop all of them people there?
Oh Lord of David, Samuel and Abednego, why have you forsaken us? We're sure to perish tonight because this a man here in a black, green and gold who present himself before us, him can't stop them.
Don't be so negative, have some faith, Reverend.
Good day to you. Please allow me to introduce to you a brand new all-Jamaican program that is just buzzing to go on television. The series is called Chronicles of Xayma. This is the first step to many spin-offs of the franchise. This animation was applauded by numerous production houses worldwide. I was recognized by my fellow animators at the University of the West Indies for being the first man in Jamaica to create a full 24 minutes animated film. Now I must ask, how would you like to share in the birth of an exciting television series? We're excited to introduce Chronicles of Xayma, an original Jamaican animated series produced by Cross Productions. This 13-episode, 24-minute series follows a team of Jamaican superheroes battling darkness to bring transformative change to Jamaica. Why sponsor this project? You might ask. This project offers a unique content, inspiring Jamaican storytelling, promoting positivity and national pride. Our target audience are families, youth, and children.
Never look ya. A Jamaican up them here taking picture.
Capturing a broad demographic. Sponsors would capitalize on our advertising opportunities. 6 by 1 minute slots per episode. This is a project you won't want to miss out on. Additional services. Should you require our expertise in crafting compelling advertisements, we offer customized ad creation at 50% of the standard rate. Benefits for sponsors. Brand visibility and awareness through targeted advertising. Association with uplifting, locally produced content. Reach a diverse audience, fostering loyalty and engagement. The chance to have your business or product written into our compelling and exciting script.
Then Linda, where you go with this here cow ya now? Me I take this one go down a flat bridge as a offering to the river, mama. They will have 3 more run back there, Grace Jonah.
Join us in sharing inspiring Jamaican stories. Together, let's make a positive impact. This is the trailer for the upcoming movie, Jamaican, the first Jamaican superhero. I hope you find this message inspiringly interesting and a worthy introduction to what we want to showcase to Jamaica and the world. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, or if you would like me to write your product or brand into our episodes, or most importantly, participate in sponsoring a groundbreaking development. Feel free to inbox me or email crossproductions@chrossproductions@gmail.com. I have attached the email in my bio. We look forward to collaborating with you. Please remember to like, comment, and share.